the final sunset of a legend. Today, 24 November, the world wakes up to a heartbreaking reality. Bollywood's beloved icon, Dharmendra, the man who defined courage, love, and timeless charm, has taken his final breath. A wave of silence has spread across India as fans, friends, and the entire film fraternity struggle to accept this loss. Dharmendra, the star who once lit up the screen with unmatched energy, leaves behind decades of unforgettable cinema, films that made us laugh, cry, dream, and believe in heroes. According to family sources, he passed away peacefully, surrounded by loved ones who stood by him in his final moments. As tributes pour in from across the world, one thing becomes clear: legends never truly die. Their stories stay alive in the hearts of millions. Tonight, as the world mourns, one chapter closes. But the legacy of Dharmendra, the He-Man of Bollywood, will shine forever.